Manipur Chief Minister N.Biren Singh on August 12 addressed the long-standing divide between the hill and valley regions of the state. N.Biren Singh attributed this disparity to biased treatment under previous administrations, asserting that the current BJP government has made substantial strides toward addressing these issues. Under our leadership, significant efforts have been made to bridge the gap between hill and valley regions, N.Biren Singh said. Our commitment to equitable development ensures that every region of Manipur receives the attention and resources it deserves. Earlier on August 11, Chief Minister Biren Singh took to X to commend the Army and Border Security Force (BSF) for their recent successful operations in dismantling Kuki militants' bunkers in Bunglon. Singh stated the importance of these operations in combating threats and ensuring stability in the state. As a commitment to eradicating threats and maintaining stability in our state, the Army and BSF have successfully dismantled the Kuki militants' bunkers in Bunglon, Singh said in his post. He urged citizens to support the security forces in their mission to foster a peaceful and secure environment for all.